Welcome in Cool Paradigms. Here we have a pair of sunglasses which, as usual, got broken. It's probably my 12th pair or 20th pair. Got sick of it. So I'm going to try to fix it so I can use it at least twice longer, maybe 3 or 4 times longer. So the whole idea is to glue completely the glass inside, I mean the plastic glass inside its standard inside the branches to have having the rubber glue all around should help really to fix this thing. So first thing I need to, it was already done a protection of the mine glass, so I'm not going to add the glue where it shouldn't go, and I'm going to increase the area of the external parts so the glue got more surface to hold from. So already done maybe 2 inches. And then I got the idea, wow, we could make a video out of that if it's working properly. So if you see it, it means it was quite a good result. So this is the boring part. Okay, so now I have to get rid of any trace of fat, which is happily removed with alcohol, chemistry alcohol from wood, undrinkable because it's highly toxic, can make you blind. Isn't it so interesting when fixing glasses? And it's another thing. Okay, now I'm going to have a sticky, stinging thing for the rest of the video. Luckily, you can't smell it. Now, the inside of the thing, increasing the area with a little needle. I mean, if it's done properly, you could just make the array like twice as large, and it's going to stick much better because it's not only gripping at the molecular level but also in some deep scratch. So scratching here everywhere is a very good idea. It's amazing how these things are just thin. I could imagine some other design, like a very thick for lifetime. So now I have to remove the fat from my fingers and many other things all the way around this little frame, up, and doing the same here. Okay, so once it's done, here, up, done. So now this alcohol is going to evaporate very quickly. So it's not a worry. And we have to glue. What sort of glue? Rubber glue is good, but because this frame is flexible, and it's not a good deal for 2-component glue like araldite to standard plastic bags like that. Are very resistant sometimes to some glues, and they can be used to protect your fingers and spread the glue where you need it to be spread. So we are going to try like that, trying to make one of the parts harder to move around. Okay, should be right. We have a nice green support, and we can glue. Put some nice glue on top of it. It's probably too much, but it's the first time I'm fixing glasses like that. I'm taking another bag here because I don't use the other one twice for something else. So by the way, twice to glue the feet of the Raspberry Pi new support we are going to see in a coming soon video. Here we are. So plastic bag, interesting for finger protection. And now the question is, how do I spread that? So, okay, it's contact glue, so I just need a little bit on the edge, and of course I'm already putting it in the edge and a bit of, so I guess it's not going to look exactly like the previous sunglasses, huh? It's going to be a bit fuzzy on the side, but as far as I am concerned, I am not so bothered with that. Maybe the reverse, like gives a style, you know, sort of fuzzy external side. Maybe could be useful for external UVs, whatever. Do I have a spider there? I saw something. Anyway, here we are. Okay, so now more difficult part. Plenty of glue inside the groove of the glasses. It's going to be challenging not to make a huge mess, but I guess if I go fast enough, I have a chance of doing that in an interesting way. Okay, so I probably have to. Now, like you can see, I put it everywhere. I want the maximum solidity for that. Not gluing just the broken part. Everywhere, the whole glass is going to, the whole plastic, transparent plastic is going to participate to the job of making this thing stronger. Okay, so now we have it everywhere, so we can just put the lid back on. By the way, it's very important, you need, when you buy some rubber glue, it's much better to have the classic glue, which made anyway, it sounds much better than, especially in this brand, than the possibly, the things they made after. And anyway, it's personal advice. Okay, so now, because it's contact glue, we need to wait. We have a thickness here, so I think we have to wait something like, maybe I would try 30 minutes, something. Okay, and now, after about 20 minutes of drying, the difficult part of putting that together. which is always a little challenge. Here we are. Maybe a bit of two-component glue on the top, because it's likely to stay rigid, hopefully, or something like that. I have to think about it. Okay, I couldn't wait. I had to glue a little rod of stainless steel to be sure it's strong enough. And of course, this time I used two-component glue. So, and to make sure it would hold, I made it very rough with this little file. So plenty of little ridges. So what's now? The glue is very dry, very solid after one night. So I sand it with sandpaper and some almost finished, just like that. Absolutely nice and smooth for a while, and to avoid a too bizarre look between the two sides, I sanded a bit the other part too, so maybe it's not going to look too different. Okay, so now critical part. I have to remove this sticky black plastic, and it's just sticking very, very, very hard. So I guess if I can remove it without blundering the whole thing, it's going to be quite a success. Also because part of this nice little black plastic is embedded with some glue, which doesn't help to remove it, of course. So here we are. Okay, one is done. After it's not too bad. It's going to be nice and not so hard to remove. I probably won't do the whole thing on camera. Anyway, next part more tricky because it's a part which is in contact with the two sort of glues. So of course it's going to be harder, and plus it's just inside the concave part of the glasses, so make it harder to reach it. By the way, this black sticky tape is very, very... it's got an amazing glue. It's really amazing glue. A nice surprise. Two-component glue. Didn't catch it up to now. But I'm using a lot of strength, which means if I manage to get that removed without breaking the glasses, it's very good. start. Indeed, a very good start. Okay, my god. Here we are. It's already functional. So, got to remove the little part, the little bit of glue here and there, but we can extrapolate that once it's removed, the look is acceptable. Once it's removed. And the thing is, I don't think I can remove it fully on the camera, with the camera, because it's going to take a long time. Okay, almost like new, and stronger. Sure, it's stronger. The other part is going to break before. This annoying part here. Okay, let's put it down. Oh, nice one. Like I said, almost like new. Almost like new and stronger, thanks to the metal part here and the whole gluing on the whole perimeter. And okay, from the inside it's quite ugly, but it doesn't disturb the vision through the glass. And from the outside, oh, it's alright. Wouldn't wear it. Probably going to wear it. I have to wear it actually. Thank you for watching.